Basically, what happened was, I addressed students at the collectorate on Independence Day. In my address, I spoke of temptation of drugs, and I advised the students that they should stay away from drugs. It is a temptation. Stay away from it because it will ruin your future. This is what I've said there. After that, what happened was, I went for a cup of tea along with members of the press and public to the collector's office. At the collector's office, I was asked by a reporter that about sunburn coming to Lotoli. I was also asked by another reporter who sort of barged in and said, there you spoke about staying away from drugs, sort of it was an anti-drug stand. And here you are bringing sunburn to Lotoli, which is drugs. To which I said, drugs are available all over. What I meant with that statement was that I didn't mean specific, but all over. A general statement, which I'm sure you all will agree. And then I also went a step further and asked the reporter, or told the reporters, that the time has come wherein we should also join the movement against drugs or the availability of drugs. And I said we should cooperate with the police. Whatever we know, we should tell the police. So I have said that drugs are available all over. You can take that all over. This is all over the world also. It was a general statement that was made. I didn't mean specific here. Unfortunately, as far as media is concerned, with due respect to you all pick just that part that is spicy enough to create a sensation.